Collection Vibro, Session Part, Jingpyntip Namta Khubor Laitkam, Tegidon Kumba Santli A Kam Gibalat, Naki ophis give bapher, Jonga Jalam Kalia. Jangan pentip gini kau pakawai, tega benikong, kaneka dega, post jong office assistant. Government of Meghalaya Office of the District Horticulture Officer is Jantia Hill District cleared walk in interview. Kaneka de direct interview. Jadi itu kita buka ban apply, sengap bahas dua bakut, sampai ya kena kita buka ban apply, apply. Tekannya kedai namta ka, apa cleared is Jantia Hill Office Assistant. Kita balap ban apply, kita itang kita balap pas graduate in horticulture or agriculture, lane postgraduate in horticulture or agriculture with computer knowledge. Di benton bedai computer knowledge, lane period pass ya computer kena pass, balap apply. Application in standard form are hereby invited from candidates who are citizens of India and permanent resident of Meghalaya for the post mentioned below under the office of the Horticulture District Horticulture Officer is Jantia Hill District. Tekane kade purely contractual, te aktif hi contractual te la ban kane kade his name, te la kur kata his name la ban continue, la ban discontinue nu ya kata amla kasyong ka jingdon ka phone.แต่กระชงรกระจิงเตรกระจงพีคุมตัดแต่ละลาวความนับไล่สapply แต่กี่ candidate กี่ว่า interested candidate are hereby are to submit the duly application in standard form ละบันยนักดุกัน Xerox shop ละบันทิด attached with all required certificate duly attested baru diswit to the office of the district horticulture officer is Jantia Hill cleared พิบันได้ submit หากันใน office พวก cleared เห็นไหมกันเนี่ยOfficer is in Delhi on or before 20 September. Hal and Shua are photo yung September are apply before 4 p.m. Shua and Kang office. The appointment is solely on contractual basis with fixed pay. Tekan mawa kat kumane kin ong ba kin kam prefer by ikin local candidate telda kimdon kin sa shimi ki banabar. Tekan nim on post the office assistant ka turlop ka de R4000 shivanai. Te ki balap apply ka de graduate and post graduate in agriculture or horticulture. From any recognized university with computer knowledge, MS Office, Internet, FN, Excel, PPT, extra agreement demi kita. Kapus kedon tangga way, te ka age pada kat pradu live art plus ka age relaxation long no kat pradu live news name. Te kitu gibadan ni ka qualification kilam apply select submit okloi ka last date kedai art photorik la janhi. Te select last date of receiving application is 20 September. Date of interview can day 26 September. You can never have submit showing application. Select interview direct. After 3 September. The kibombiang can reject with direct. Kibabiang is a code. Venue district horticulture office clear yet. Ladap ang lupa. Time of interview kada cutway with step hadu stand by jan made. The second mark itu the general information. Okay, application which do not meet the mentioned application will be rejected. Can share reject and will not be called for interview. Kibumbiang ikikot kisla kan share reject by but kinom syak khot ma candidate call for work interview should bring all the original document te kan sa shufun gaya phi te kiba share reject kan sa share reject anam khot shu ye kiba biang ki document kisa khot iki kisa call sa ra iki document yung baro te kinom ai ke hi baro kinom shura tu preference will be given to the local candidate kumonga residential certificate and epic to be produced pia ra residential mereka epic haban produce ma pin e video local resident Note eligibility page kenam IP ke balik B1. Teh. Dan ketua ke bandingkong adapt telah dapat kau apply kan dia jan kelas dia ke airport tambah ke interview ke dia airport interview. Nah kamta kan dia post telah dapat kau apply. Ha kabar kan dia pada ke dia post jong accountant ke dia po DERT. And play kum kan dia advertisement kan instruction for candidate. Ka job ka top detail ke accountant kan dia contractually aktif himta bonding contractually. Last date to apply is 29 September 2023. Tapi aku apply sekarang 29 September ketika last date nang bun por ha. Application invited for the position of accountant on purely contractual basis for a period of 6 months only at DERT office ma Shillong likely to be extended on basis of efficiency. Kinsa extend kat kung bajing trade kam kung pi kumta kung bajing standard ka joki kinsa extend 6 months dan sorry kumtai kinsa extend. Number of posts tanggawahi nature of work to work with DRT faculty member in order to facilitate the development of the state. Okay, katu menadan kam. The age limit kaju ikanero 18 to 32 plus 5 year kalau no 18 to 37 years. The accountant minimum qualifications ngabah. Kane kande BCom with 60% marks from a recognized university. Pia pass BCom tang ba they been done 60%. Become with 60% marks from recognized university institute. 5% relax for STSC. Takmut ba hang ne da nan no 100% nam ta ki STSC relax no 100% ma. 55% nam ta ki ST 60 open. Ta kan ma. Candidate should also possess a certificate and a diploma in computer application. They been pass computer ma. Malap ka apply become plus computer application. Nam ta ki ST di 100% nam ta open ke 60%. Knowledge of work experience at least 1 year experience in a private and a government sector. Knowledge in using Tylli software. So là pidon biang. Work description, typing, data entry, compilation. Okay, kita ban compile ban type gitu bro. Ka tulop kan icon no R hajar sanspa shibanai. 22,000 rupees, 22,500 per month. R hajar sanspa shibanai kan IP. Telah ko on apply. Select buran kam ke buran kam lah dapat ko on apply. Candidate having the requisite skill and experience only need to apply through the following Google form link provided below. Te kan ka Google form link ang sa buah po description. Sa klik nang tu sa pendap iki detail ki jong pi baro mo kila ai ka Google form link sa pendap online yang ne. Te ang sabu ikane po description sa pendap. Application sent through email will be rejected. Kinom accept iki ba send nang ba email mo sa pendap link ba kan ka Google form kabangan sa check na po description ngan bu ikane. Selection process preference will given to candidate with demonstrable skill. Kibalaban demonstrate. Shortlisted candidate will be intimate kinsa code link back email via email which they have provided. Now we have submit lang ke email hak por pendap itu ka link. The shortlisted will need to appear for a personal interview. Kiba shortlisted ki haban lek personal interview. There will be no travel allowance to us2e. Selected candidate are expected to join within 5 days of the date of the appointment. Hapo sans ngi pidi ben join no haka ndala yo appointment bade. The supporting required for appearing for the interview. If you don't come, you need document and have a court interview, detailed resume, if you have detail bah, undergraduate degree, class 12 mark sheet and certificate. You have baroh pendap, have postgraduate and doctorate are done if applicable. Any one photo for proof of identity to us to birth certificate, still caste, still tribe, experience certificate, and have done. The Kibakwa applies, they will come become with 55% SCST, 60%. Open category with computer application ma je computer knowledge certificate in computer don kami kita tang kiba biang kilap apply data biang saya reject minum saya code rejected list kaling asa buah description okay kabalai post kabalai kadai kane application in standard form are invited for filling up the vacant post of headmaster at Ishmati SSA and RMSA secondary school namta post headmaster kane hapo Ishmati ma under Samagra Siksha on contractual basis for a fixed remuneration of 29,000 per month. Aktif Headmaster RMSA SSA kita ini RMSA KDB R1000 per month. Initially for a period of 1 year and to be extended can extend. Qualification dengan umlong postgraduate in any stream with BEd. Kano stream ro tangba dibenlon lang barka BEd master in any stream with BEd. And preferably with 5 years experience in teaching and at least 2 years experience in school administration. Jadi kami shame kita lah rapidon ya 5 years experience lah ni arts name experience in school administration. Ke age kedai karpra du life news name non kami tu kalau mau ikum tuhi or up to 40 years for those saving in government aided school reservation aspirant no. Kita bila ada trail pa gini government aided school kan dia suppose name ikibom patre pada kan dia life news name. Interested candidates are to submit application in standard form along with the photocopies of relevant documents, certificate related for one passport size and photo on or before the 25 September. Kanai kadai last date 25 September. Tekan mau bahaya last date dah kau apply. To the office of the district school education officer and district project auditor Samagra Siksha East Khas Hill district Nong Rim Mau Lait Mkhra Shillong DERT campus. Kanai ban submit apa kanai ka office kadang hapo Lait Mkhra Nong Rim Mau. Habis submit iki application guna fee last date kadai 1 September. Applicants are to mention their mobile number and email ID in the application form for further communication. Have mention nak tu standard form yang fee ka email dan mobile number. Jadi kita kibaran ka qualification bagi kuat apply select agaba don't come. Kapasau one assistant teacher at the Ribohoi President Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Negeri ni tak post nohikai. Qualification film day BA dan MA tambah fidim don with BEd. BMA with BEd pay deficit. Negeri deficit pay H as per goron norms kande kat proud life new plus ikiba ikailpa kande 40 years. Last date of submission of application with documents kande art khnai tarik jomnai September arjar apply till 3 p.m. Date of interview to be notified kin saban tip ya date of interview jong ba phiap poi documents sang bi ba submit. Tenam ta kijing tip khamnia phila ban contact kin number khnai phan riu lai ar nya wei san khandai. Secretary MC Tesa phone hi kijing tip ki bede bat kane ka post nahi kai one assistant primary teacher at ribhoi presbyterian. Tesa ka wei pat kane bede ka nakamta ka post library assistant. Application are invited for library assistant position qualification kan dimdong bachelor lane master degree in library and information science dimen pass ka library and information science fill up and apply. Interested candidate can visit fill up and lej pok website www.mlcuniv.in kan de jong Martin Luther Christian University fill up and apply nang tu and view notice section for job application fill up and lej ngan sabuk ka link apa description fill up and lej kan website ndap la lej sai lab ni yang tu fill apply online hi kan te ada yang tu betul apply now fill up and apply the last date nam ta kan ne ban apply ka September 27 2023 te kitu ki badon bila pass ka library la ada BA la ne MA in library la ban apply ka ne ka push te tangini jingpyntip ngan try plus tu giding tel barang ada batai hang tu te tangini khublai suban